He may have died few months ago, but the name of the former minister David Mwiraria will remain a common feature in the Anglo Leasing case. This follows the decision of the Anti-Corruption Court to reject a request by lawyer Kioko Kilukumi to compel the prosecution to amend the charge sheet. Kilukumi in his application had argued that it would be fair if Mwiraria's name was deleted from the charge sheet on grounds that the case has been overtaken by events. The request was however rejected by Senior Principal Magistrate Felix Kombo, who argued that the deceased had taken to stand and charged before being exempted indefinitely from attending proceedings of the case on medical grounds.
The question that Mr. Kilukumi's submission and the response by Ms. Emily Kamau presents is an old one, and it is when does trial commence? I agree with Ms. Emily Kamau that this happens from the point of taking plea. Honorable Mwiraria pleaded to these charges, but unfortunately passed on and may rest in peace. It is therefore my finding that he was on a trial that was however in abeyance. In view of this, I agree that his case would only abate in circumstances. The circumstances do not call for an amendment of the charge, as suggested by Mr. Kilukumi. This does not occasion a defect in terms of Section 214 of the CPC.
The development coming as former head of public service Francis Muthaura presented his testimony regarding the multi-million shilling scandal. Muthaura submitted that it is during his tenure as the head of public service that he requested the Auditor General to conduct an audit into 18 controversial security contracts, whose report recommended the suspension of some top officials at the Ministry of Finance to allow for investigations. Muthaura couldn't establish whether the contracts were genuine since he was involved in the international criminal case that faced him at the time. The prosecution told the court that former Central Bank Deputy Governor Jacinta Motela and former Attorney General Amos Wako, who were lined up to testify, have since asked to be excused, citing the ever-engaging campaign trail in their pursuit for elective seats. According to the Director of Public Prosecution, out of 53 witnesses who had recorded statements in connection with the Anglo Leasing case, only 20 will be called to testify, following revelations that most of them are either irrelevant to the case or are deceased. Ben Chumba, reporting for Scales of Justice.